In this lesson, we learn how to construct angle 105 degrees. Now, constructing 105 degrees is not a one-step process. There's no way we can get 105 degrees directly. We can get that by adding 90 and 15 degrees together. So first of all, construct angle 90 and angle 15 rather. Then add it up to get 105 degrees. So to get 90 degrees, we start by rolling a straight line. And we place a ruler to get the reference where the 90 want to be. Then I'm going to make my 90 degree there. And how do we get 90 degree? We place the stick point of the protractor of the compass rather on this reference line. Then adjust the protractor to a convenient radius. There's a protractor compass rather. The convenient radius. Make an arc. Now with that arc, now you remember that when I make another arc here and cut it, join it down, it will give me 90 degrees. So this side will be 90, this side will be 90. But I want to give 15 on this side. So for me to give 15 on this side, I will have to remove 60 from 90, which will remain 30 degrees. So let me keep this radius. I don't want to adjust this protractor because I still want to make use of that very radius. So let me get another one. I'm calling it protractor instead of compass. So I will place this, the stick point of this compass at this reference point now. Then make an arc up here. Let me adjust it to a convenient radius. Make an arc. Then shift the stick point to this point. Cut the arc. Where the arc meets, or join it to the reference point. Let's confirm it with a protractor. Okay, let's use that like that. So as I was saying, this is 90 degrees now. This side is 90, this side too is 90. But I want to get 105 degrees. If I remove 60 from here, as if I construct 60 from this side down, the remaining one from this side to this line will be 30 degrees. So that I can bisect that 30 to give me 15. 15 plus this 90 will give me 105 degrees. That is why I say let me keep this compass aside. I don't want to adjust the radius of this. Remember, it's this radius that gives us the arc. When we start from the middle, and we roll this like this, give us this arc. So with that same radius, we get 60 degrees by placing it here. Place a stick point here. We then cut this arc. Yeah, I think I am there right now. So I'm going to cut this arc, which will give me 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So use a protractor to confirm this whether it's 60 degrees. Okay, you can see if I read from this point like this, as long as this line is at 120, that is 60. Look at it. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 60 degrees. Meaning this point to this point is 30 degrees. By the time we bisect this 30 degrees, we get one, and we get 15 degree. 15 plus this 90 will give us the required 105 degree. So to bisect this 15 degree, you place the stick point of the compass right here, then place the other one here. So let me start with this place. I'll place a stick point of the compass here, then make an arc, shift the stick point here now, then we confirm inside the point. Okay, I will cut the arc. Okay, I need to go up. Let me redraw the other one. I missed it a little. That means I did not place it well. Let's start all over again. Place the stick point here. Then make an arc. Now shift the stick point to this place. Let's check it whether it's there. I think it's there. Then we cut the arc and take your ruler there. Okay, I think we are there. Join these together. So from here down here will give us the 105. Let's check whether we are there. We'll miss it a little by 1 point. This is 106 or 106.5 or so. 107. But you have an idea of how to do it now. First of all, construct 90 degree, which will give you 90 on both sides. Remove 60 degree from it. The remaining 30 bisect it to give you 15. 15 plus this 90 give us 105 degrees. So this angle like this down to this place is a 105 degree.